Sa kakatapos lamang na first round ng 2024 NBA Draft, pinili ng Atlanta Hawks bilang first overall pick nila si Zachary Risacher. So sa today's video, papag-usapan natin kung sino nga ba si Zachary Risacher at kilalanin natin kung sino siya. Si Zachary Risacher ay pinanganak noong April 8, 2005 sa Malaga, Spain. Currently, he is 19 years old. He's a French professional basketball player that was drafted by the Atlanta Hawks noong 2024 NBA Draft bilang first overall pick sa first round. He last played for the JL Borg in France and also played in Asvel noong 2021 to 2024. During his time sa France at Spain, nanalo siya ng Rising Star sa Euro Cup, nanalo rin siya ng championship and best young player sa LNB Elite. He was also an all-star there. He also represented France in the FIBA Under-19 and 17 World Cups, respectively. Sa 2023, sa Hungary, nanalo siya ng silver medal. Sa kabilang dako, nanalo siya ng bronze medal sa Spain noong 2022, pero 17 under yon. Walang gaano ka notable na stat line na nakalagay para kay Risacher, ngunit meron nakalagay dito na nanalo siya ng Best Young Player noong 2023 to 2024 LNB Elite Season, kung saan nag-average siya ng 10.1 points and 3.8 rebounds in 22 minutes per game. Kilala siya sa paglalaro ng small forward position. Very efficient catch and shoot player din siya, and also a good shooter coming off screens or from the mid-range. He can also defend both guards and forwards on the perimeter and can do blockbuster defense. Ang kanyang tatay na si Stephen Risacher na naglalaro din siya ng basketball professionally, kung saan nanalo siya ng silver medal sa 2000 Summer Olympics with the France national team. Sa tingin nyo ba, magiging isa siyang all-star player paglaki or all-star player when he continues to grow in the NBA? Abangan natin.